Whether you're a first-time home buyer or it's been a while since your last purchase, you may have some questions on how financing a home works. We're going to break down the steps in an easy-to-understand fashion by going through the top 5 financing questions we get every single day. Question number 1. Can I afford to buy a home? Now, we are not mortgage loan officers, and we don't run your credit, but all True Homes advisors are trained on mortgage qualification. Loan officers will basically look at 4 different things to qualify you: your income, credit, debt, and how much you have for a down payment. Before you meet with a loan officer, we can ask you a few simple questions and let you know what a mortgage company will actually loan you. We do this as a free service so that you know which price range, communities, and floor plans are within your buying power. We do this so you aren't wasting time looking at the wrong price range or running your credit needlessly. This really helps people zero in on where to start. Remember, there are no embarrassing questions or topics. You can ask us any of your questions or concerns when it comes to financing a home. We're simply here to help. Question 2. Is now a good time to buy considering interest rates have gone up? Well, if you're deciding between renting and owning, the answer is always owning. And here's why. The interest rates on renting is always 100%. That is a no-brainer since you can always refinance, and right now rents are going up significantly all over the country that it makes no sense to rent. So let's talk about interest rates in general. Yes, they have gone up, but today they are what most experts would say is a sustainable interest rate. No one expected rates to stay at 3%. 6.5% is still historically low. If you buy today and they go down, you can always refinance to that lower rate. And if they go back up, you were the smart one getting to keep that low rate. If you can qualify for the loan and you feel comfortable with the payment, then it's a good time to buy, since you're creating equity and starting the path towards generational wealth with home ownership. Question number 3. How much money do I need to get started? You may have heard things like you need a 15 or 20% down payment to get started on building a home, but that is actually not true. At True Homes, we carry the construction loan, so you don't have to do that during the build process. While the amount does vary by community, in most locations you only need $1,500 to get started. Yes, you heard that right. With our flexible financing options, you only need $1,500 to get started building your dream home with True Homes. Question 4. Where can I buy? Once we get to know you and your location preferences, budget, and what you qualify for, we can suggest a variety of locations and communities that have their own amenities, lifestyles, nearby attractions, and restaurants, all within your preferred monthly payment range. We may even suggest locations you hadn't considered before, where you can actually get a larger home or more upgrades and customizations that you didn't think you could initially get. Question 5. What are the next steps towards getting a mortgage? At True Homes, we don't own our own mortgage company, and that's a big advantage for our clients. Instead, we partner with several mortgage companies who offer a variety of competitive financing options, so once we determine your specific needs, we can connect you with the right loan officer. We know all the various down payment assistance programs, fixed and variable mortgages, and the best ways possible to save you money. It's important to note that we don't make any additional money from our clients on the mortgage side by doing things like charging big fees, but saying we have really low interest rates, like a lot of the national builders are doing right now. This means we will work hand in hand until you get a final approval. We stay with you every step of the way to ensure you have an amazing experience in getting started building your new dream home. So with only $1,500 needed to get started, why wait? Give us a call at 980-222-0166 or go to truehomesusa.com to get started. We're here to help you on your home building journey, so contact us at any time. We can't wait to meet you.